Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to present my article entitled Predicting Customer Satisfaction and Customer Company Identification and Enhancing Halal Restaurant Loyalty. Service Encounter Perspective. At the first of the introduction, actually that the high potency of culinary business in Indonesia that achieve 844.35 trillion. This is the opportunity for the restaurant business that is still relevant and still uh, facing a high competition that I adopted from market 2019. In this case that I attract to elucidate about the halal restaurant in Indonesia, we said the object of the restaurant that we try to elucidate about customer satisfaction and customer company identification. This is the important thing of the two contract in enhancing customer loyalty. We see that the concept of customer satisfaction have been elucidated by previous research, but rarely that they combine with customer company identification. Customer company identification have been proposed by Bhattacharya and Sen 2004 based on social identity theory. And we see that only a few numbers of previous scholars have explored the antecedent of both customer satisfaction and customer company identification in single framework. You can see Martinez and Del Boss 2013, Su, Swanson, Chichana Chokche, Xu and Chen 2016, as well as Yang Chen and Huang 2017. Therefore, the study attempts to fill this gap by exploring the antecedent of both customer satisfaction and customer company identification from the perspective of service encounters that rarely covered by extant studies. In this case, that our purpose, the study explored the antecedent of customer satisfaction and customer company identification in single framework. Second, it enriched a new insight of the determinant factors of customer company identification from the perspective of service encounters that commonly used to predict only in customer satisfaction. Finally, it investigates the two essential factors of customer satisfaction and customer company identification in enhancing customer loyalty in a halal restaurant setting. We propose 8 hypotheses. The first, physical environment. It means that service encounters include physical environment, service employee to customer interaction, and customer to customer interaction. It positively and significantly affect customer satisfaction for hypothesis 1 until 3. And then 3 of the construct of service encounter, physical environment, service employee to customer interaction, and customer to customer interaction positively and significantly affect customer company identification. And the remains hypothesis, customer satisfaction and customer company identification positively and significantly affect halal restaurant loyalty. We can see about the theoretical framework. Halal service encounters, we see that include 3 elements, physical environment, and then service employee to customer interaction, and customer to customer interaction. And then we will predict about the relationship quality about customer satisfaction and customer company identification. Finally, the customer satisfaction and customer company identification affect halal restaurant loyalty. And I have sample and data collection for 52 of the PEX questionnaire after screening data, and they continue to the process of analysis with the measurement from the previous research from Price, Anderson and Wade, and so on. And we see about the demographic profile. Yeah, they include age, gender, marital status, all of the in this table. You can see about the result of CFA model that they fulfill the model fit with the composite reliability above 0.7 and average variant above 0.5. And the result of this, the hypothesis proposes for hypothesis 1, 2, 3, physical environment, and service employee to customer interaction and customer to customer interaction positively and significantly affect customer satisfaction. This support the previous majority of the previous research. On the other hand, the element of service encounters, namely physical environment, fail to predict customer company identification. While service employee to customer interaction and customer to customer interaction positively and significantly affect customer company identification. Lastly, customer satisfaction and customer company identification has significantly and positively affect halal restaurant loyalty. In the discussion, I think this is the element of service on encounters. They can successfully predict customer satisfaction, but for customer company identification, only service employee and customer interaction as well as customer to customer interaction, they successfully predict customer company identification. The managerial implication that I think managers should face the goal of serving customer more than satisfaction, but with how the customer identify with the company, they can implement several programs here that facilitates the communication and with other customer, and it can be implemented by creating group of interaction. And for the limitation and future research, I think the sample you can broadly that more representative. Besides of that, the other perspective of predicting customer satisfaction and customer company identification, such as customer psychology from the company, such as company sport or company benevolent, I think is also interesting to be elucidated for the future studies. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.